Today we're reviewing cream of chicken.
No.
Ew.
No! Wait! I thought it'd be liquid! It's not liquid! Wait, we have to guys, we have to water it down. What's somebody doing?
Are you recording?
It looks like when we dissected the pig.
Dude, this is why I opted out of that.
Hello, and welcome back. Shit. to water review. Today we're going to be reviewing Campbell's Great for Cooking Condensed Soup Cream of Chicken, featuring Jonah, our new guest.
Thanks.
Yeah. And also with a little bit of Arizona because it was too solid.
It was like mayo.
It was like mayo.
It expires in
It was
10
literally-
days. by the
So
way.
today our taster is going to be me and John, who's the cameraman currently.
Do you want me to record when?
Yeah, you could just record now.
All right, yeah.
John is here.
Hi, John.
What's that thing that PewDiePie says? Oh, let's just jump into it.
No, that's Philip.
That's Philip DeFranco?
Yeah.
Alright, let's just jump
You're
into
taking
it.
an extra sip for that.
Yeah, you have to.
Let's go.
Oh, fuck. Don't think about it.
Fuck me.
Just drink
I'd
it.
gladly do that, Sonny.
John.
No! No!
Hey,
Oh, God.
there's a trash right there, John. Drink it quick and throw it out.
No, I thought you were having a sip.
No!
Are you going now?
No.
Yeah.
Alright, go quick.
No! Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
What are these weak ass sips?
You want to try it? You do it, John.
Fuck no.
You do it. It's Tarver's turn.
No.
Yeah, I don't think I want to do this anymore.
So John, what did you think about that Campbell's chicken soup shit? Okay, I can confirm. It was a great way to kick off season 3 because that was the worst fucking water I've ever tasted.
What do you mean? That was an S tier. S
It was
tier.
a solid -1 out of 10.
We fucking serious?
A negative
Honestly,
one. For me, flavor was pretty good, pretty pungent, you know. I couldn't really smell anything because I was too busy like gagging. But I can assume that the smell was very low. Texture sucked dick. Fuck the texture.
Water didn't really taste like water.
The texture of
It
the
was
water
more
was
like
very
mayo.
chunky. Not really sure I'd try it again. I almost threw up. If I'd eaten something today, I would have thrown up.
Yeah.
But
But
In the
luckily,
end,
Sunny is anorexic.
2 out of 10 for me.
2 out of 10?
One
What's
fifth.
a 1, Sonny?
1/5.
What is a 1?
All right,
We're
so
trying to figure out
have you ever
what
had
the
a?
is.
There's this one drink. I don't know if you guys know what it's called. But it's pretty exotic. Y'all ever heard of Pepsi?
Oh, okay.
No, we
Crystal
never tried
Crystal Pepsi.
We already
We did Crystal Pepsi.
That was one of the
We did
episodes.
Crystal
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was over there and we tried it. Anyway, thank you for tuning in to Water Review Season 3, Episode 1. Definitely one of the worst waters we've ever tried. Not a fan of that water. Thanks for joining us.
Yellow.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, Campbell Soup, for sponsoring this video.